Hey, senior, listen to me right now. You've got 59 seconds, and it might just fix the rest of your life. Ready? Let's go. First, drink a glass of water the moment you wake up. No tea, no coffee. Water. Your brain and heart have been dry all night. Second, stretch your body for 5 minutes. Wake up those sleepy muscles and joints. Blood flow is your new medicine. Third, eat something natural. A banana, a handful of soaked almonds, or a spoon of chia seeds in water. No sugar-loaded biscuits, no processed junk. Fourth, breathe deeply 5 times, eyes closed. Thank God you woke up today. Many didn't. Fifth, promise yourself you'll move more today. Walk, garden, climb those stairs. Your body is your best friend. Treat it like one. At 60, 70, 80, life isn't over. It's your time to rise. Fix these little things daily, and in 30 days, you won't recognize yourself. You've got one life. Don't waste it sitting still. Start now. If you felt this, hit that like button and subscribe for more life-saving tips.